how to write a solid argumentative text step by step.
Hello, my name is Michelle and I want to welcome you to the second component of this course, English Does Work Level 11. In this component, we will learn to write solid and persuasive argumentative text. We will see what are they, how are they structured, and we will have step-by-step instructions to write them correctly. We will also learn how to identify and formulate the main and the secondary or supporting ideas of a text, whether we are reading someone else's text or writing our own. And finally, we will study different types of textual connectors and how to use them so that our messages and speeches and text become more fluid and connected in a logical and eloquent way. Thanks for watching this introductory video, and let's get started with this new component.